Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Ismi Noramin K. Uto. Now I'm gonna tackle about 11 basic question words in Arabic with example. Number 1, matha, which means what. In sentence, matta tanawalata ala al-ash'a. Next, mata ta alamta fi alughati al-Arabiya. Number 2, ma, which means what kind or what type. In sentence, ma huwa launuka al-mufadal. Next, ma hiya al-mushkila. Next, ma huwa umwaru baitik. Number 3, man, which means who. In sentence, man huwa ashhar fanan fi badlikum. Next, man sayughani fi halfati al-masa. Number 4, ain, which mean where. In sentence, aina wadatta al-mafati. Next, aina satusafiru fi al-utlati asayfiya. Number 5, mata, it means when. In sentence, mata akar mara zurta tabiba al-asnan. Next, mata yaddaw darsu alughati al-Arabiya. Number 6, limatha, which means why. Why. In sentence, limatha turidu asafara ila Amrika. Next, limatha tata'allamu alughati al-Arabiya. Number 7, kaif, which means how. In sentence, kaifa haluk. Next, kaifa anjasata hathihi al-mahhama. Next, number 8, ay, which means which kind, or which type. In sentence, fi ayyi aam takharajata mina al-jami'a. Next, ayyu nawin mina az-zuhur tattadilin. Number 9, liman, which means whose or for whom. In sentence, limin hatha al-kitab. Next, liman satudi hathihi al-wurud. Next, number 10, hal, it means do, does, are, or is. In sentence, al tuhibbu asfara ila albar. Next, hal hiya jamila. Last number 11, kam, which means how often, how long, how much, or how many. In sentence, kami asat atu al-an. Next, kamara tathabu ila anadi aryadi fi al-ushbu. Next, kam tamamu hatta al-bait. Next, kam adadu afradi aili latuk. That's all. Wassalam.